Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a copyright claim on your YouTube video. If you've received a copyright notice on a specific video, don't worry. It's easier to handle than you might think. First, open up YouTube Studio and go to your content section. Find the video that has the copyright claim. Once you're there, click on the video and head over to the Restrictions tab. Then click on Copyright. From here, tap Review Issues to see exactly which part of your video is causing the copyright issue. You'll be able to view detailed information about the claim. Depending on the issue, you have several options to resolve it. You can either remove the copyrighted content, trim the problematic part of the video, or, if you believe the claim is incorrect, you can submit an appeal to dispute it. These are the steps you can follow to fix the copyright claim on your video. It's a simple process, but it can really help keep your content in good standing. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.